was super hot. The Tahoe did awesome for the first day, but towards the end of the day, like we were talking about earlier, it had a failure on a subwoofer. We were trying out new things with the subs, like we told you at the Excess Power show. They put on these aluminum caps over the voice coils, trying to make it where they wouldn't blow the dust caps off, but we're still having some issues with it. It's all a learning process when you're trying to do these prototypes. So anyway, we did the best we could for all day Saturday. We weren't able to play today on Sunday, but we were able to go and get a bunch of demos of everybody else's stuff. So that was really cool, because usually if my truck is up and running, we're not able to go and get demos of other people's stuff because I'm constantly playing my truck and trying to deal with people at the booth. So we always make the best of it. Obviously it's not fun to blow a bunch of subs, but hey, we made the best of it. It's difficult material to sign on it, so hey, I'm used to t-shirt.
Baby, can't you see?
Anything like that in my life. It's crazy. 4015s, baby. Getting it in. He's got DC all over his truck. Check it out. Got 3 Wolfram Audio 4500s. We sell the new versions of these. We'll have them in stock here soon. So. Impressive. 6 Scar ZBX 12s on 3 Wolfram 4500s. So these Crescendo audio amps, we sell those too. Anybody's got air conditioning, I'm down with coming to get a demo.
Gotcha. Hey, we're in Texas, baby. It's hot.
That's right. so high, it's like vibrating my feet down here like crazy. It's like tickling my feet. We'll see you at the next show. The next show we're going to be going to is the Sundown Audio Show in Hickory, North Carolina. So be sure to check that out. We'll put a link to it in the description so you can be sure you meet us at that show. It's going to be awesome. Obviously a Sundown based show. It's going to be a great one. So we're going to have the subs back playing. Everything will be good to go. And we'll see you at that one. Then the one after that is going to be the Surf City show in Oregon. So that's the next two on the list. If you want to check out our event calendar, you can do that as well on our website. Go down to the bottom and you'll see an event calendar there, and you'll see all the shows that we'll be attending. So we'll see you in the next one, guys. Yo, what's up, guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.